Okay, short video of the rough country winch I got installed on my 2002 Avalanche. I say otherwise, it went pretty good, guys. I put my road bar, my bush guard back on, but looks okay. I'm gonna go around it with plastic, and I think it looks pretty good. So I want to make the short video to finish it off. I'm going to be reviewing it. I'm going to be doing some pulling with it, and I'm going to videotape it just to see how it holds up and everything. But I think it did pretty good. I didn't do too much overcutting it. What I did was I cut it this part right here, and I folded it up under there so it'll look a little neater. And I got a little cut right there on the side, nothing too major. But other than that, I didn't do no measurements or nothing. I just went ahead and free cut it and put my bush guard back on. So I think it's gonna, what's up, babe? So I think it's gonna be all right. If you guys just subscribe or just come back and check later on, a couple days, I had some videos of it pulling. And let me show you up underneath it. Alright. I'm very weary about my cover right here, so I'm going to try to find a cover to go right here and to put right here. Because I really want to cover it up, but yet, you know, I still have to engage it. So, but other than that, she went pretty good. Pretty easy. And I like it. I like how it came out. You can't really tell it's there, but it's there. And it don't look bad at all. It look pretty good. That's the end of this video. Like I said, guys, I'm going to have some more videos of it pulling. I'm going to be doing pulling some trees down, and I'm going to try to take it and pull it up a hill. Let the winch pull me up a hill and see how it goes.